Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I am at Guaranty RV here. My name is Ashley. I'm going to be doing a quick tour on a recent arrival from Newmar. This is a brand new 2021 Ventana. It is a 4369 floor plan, probably my personal favorite, so I'm excited to show it to you today. This one has some really great options on it. It has the Belmont exterior colors, you might be able to see here, as well as 360 cameras all around, chrome locking baggage doors. This one is just beautiful, great options, and now we are going to go ahead and take an inside tour. Okay, so walking into this Ventana 4369, I immediately noticed that this has the caramel glazed maple and the chateau decor. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Both of our front seats are going to be swiveling, reclining with footrests so they can integrate into your large living room here. Right behind the front seats, this one is optioned with theater seats, complete with USB power plugins, and they face directly across from a sofa that opens out to a bed, as well as your TV on the lift, on the televator. I love those. Further back, of course, we have our booth seating area. This is actually a booth that will also turn into another bed, giving you a total of 3 beds in addition to your theater seating here. And across from that booth, you have the kitchen. This one has one of the most counter spaces, one of the reasons I like it, as well as an extra pull-out section that gets you more storage and more counter space. This particular Ventana is an electric one, so we don't have an oven here. We have a convection / microwave, and we have an induction cooktop. This one even has a dishwasher, as well as a full-size Whirlpool refrigerator with an ice maker. And then further towards the back of this coach, this is a bath and a half model, and this full wall slide here makes it very wide and open. You have your nice half bath in the front here with the bowl sink, that vessel sink that I am such a sucker for, and then a very wide space around your king bed in the bedroom. This one does have some nice upgrades to it. Nice bed that's going to be comfortable, brand new Sleep Number air mattress, and then in the way back we have our large bathroom here. This one has one of the largest size showers that you can get from Newmar, as well as double sinks in this bathroom so you don't have to share. And inside our large rear closet you will have a safe as well. That is an extra option on this one, as well as the washer and dryer stacking units here. So you are completely set up on this one if you want to live in it full time or take some more extended trips. This one has great options to keep you really comfortable and cozy in it. Thank you so much for watching this quick tour of a 2021 Ventana 4369. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Please don't hesitate to stop on by and ask for me, or you can call or text me anytime for more information directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.